Today, Hidden Voices Africa tells the inspiring story of Patrick. Patrick is a 16-year-old boy from Imo State living in one of the slums in Abuja, Nigeria. Patrick comes out daily to help control traffic when the traffic light is broken. Patrick's story is one of tenacity and responsibility. Let's meet Patrick.
My name is Patrick. I am from Imo State, Nigeria. Well, first off, we all know that closing hours are rush hours due to the lack of patience from workers rushing home after a long day. Most times, accidents do occur and the government don't take proper actions to handle the situations. So I took it upon myself because I don't like witnessing situations like that. I just come out to hustle, believing that I will get some money to eat and take care of myself. Sometimes I wash the windscreens of car owners by the roadsides or in traffic. At times, I do wash cars to survive. Well, I just have my junior secondary school certificate. My dad used to be a bus driver where he earned some reasonable amount of money to take care of we, the family. But unfortunately, he got into a fatal accident on his way to Enugu State for a job offer and he lost one of his legs. After that, things became difficult for I, my sister, my brother, and my mother. And then my mom left us and married someone else, but she's taking care of my brother currently. So I could say my family is quite a long story. I would say my family story is quite a touching story. Well, I believe I'm good at playing football. Due to the poor financial state of my family and the incident that happened to my dad, I gave up on education a long time ago.
This story is brought to you by Hidden Voices Africa in partnership with Jamil and Iyanga Jawad Foundation. We have impacted so many lives across Africa in the past few years, and we believe that the future of this continent is in our hands and everyone has a role to play. Through these videos, we dig deep into the untold rich African stories to change the narrative and take action toward creating a better Africa.